This video will introduce how to use GeneWiz for wiring diagram consultation and printing in these four contexts: from the wiring diagram reference, from a fault isolation task, from a schematic diagram, from the wire list. GeneWiz intends to replace the former aircraft wiring diagram or aircraft wiring manual. Check out the AirNavX user guide in the Help Center for detailed descriptions. Please watch the video GeneWiz for advanced users also in the Help Center to learn more about GeneWiz features. To access GeneWiz, click the GeneWiz button in the AirNavX upper banner, then select an applicability in the working context. Click the GeneWiz Access button. Display a wiring diagram, select the electrical circuit in the breakdown. Then click the button Generate and select Breakdown. The other option, Breakdown in Simplified View, generates a diagram with black boxes instead of symbols such as switches or relays in order to display the diagram with less wire crossing. The displayed diagram at electrical circuit level is the same as the one in the former product's aircraft wiring diagram or aircraft wiring manual, except there are no longer sheets split. The screen is divided into four parts. The upper banner with the display mode selected, here the aircraft breakdown 21-2101, and the contextual buttons that appear following the user selection. The top of the diagram display zone with the navigation buttons. On top right, the list of electrical objects displayed in this diagram. The zoom window bottom right, where you can see the zoom selection. This selection can be done directly in this window by left-clicking and moved by right-clicking and moving. When the mouse pointer is flying over an electrical object, metadata is displayed. To select a wire or a connector, click on it. GeneWiz will highlight it in red at the center of the screen. Select an electrical object, wire or connector or equipment in the object list, and GeneWiz will highlight it in red at the center of the screen. Select the button Note to see the standard note that relates to this diagram. Click the PDF button to access the three printing modes. The recommended printing modes are Print in one sheet or Print current view in one sheet. The mode Print Diagram splits diagram in sheets that can be used in case of need for big diagram. The PDF GeneWiz generate can be printed or archived. From an aircraft fault isolation procedure, select first an MSN applicability, then click one of the fins in the wiring check. Click Search in GeneWiz. The displayed diagram shows the electrical lines that match with the requested wiring check. GeneWiz will highlight in red the wire connected to the pin you selected. In the fault isolation procedure, you can also request a diagram from the possible causes list of fins. From an aircraft schematic diagram, select first an MSN applicability, Then click the interactive connector fin on the functional link you need to get the detailed wiring diagram. Click Search in Genesis. The displayed diagram shows the electrical lines that match with the requested wiring check. Genesis will highlight in red the connector you selected. In a schematic, click the wiring diagram reference you need. Then search in Genesis. The displayed diagram is the electrical circuit diagram, like previously shown using the aircraft breakdown in the Genesis welcome page. In the wire list, click the wire number. Search in Genesis. Genesis displays the selected wire in red and connects all the other wires that share the same electrical potential. This mode is called equipotential in Genesis. If the selected wire is part of a cable, Genesis displays all the wires in this cable and their electrical potential path.